Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of my reviews. Today we are going to review about S10 and S10 Plus. These two phones are the most hyped in 2019 yet. I'll let you know about my hands-on experience on both of these phones, so here it goes. Well, both the S10 and S10 Plus comes with the dynamic AMOLED display which offers a vibrant color, and it's one of the greatest features as far as the display is concerned. S10 is 6.1 inches while S10 Plus is 6.4 inches. Talking about the Android system, it offers Android 9 Pie with a Samsung One UI software, which is pretty much a great enhancement, and it really offers a good speed. As we can see from back of the side, both look the same as far as the cameras are concerned. Both have three cameras at the rear. One camera is the standard wide angle lens, the other is ultra wide angle. The standard offers 77-degree angle lens, while the ultra wide lens offers 123-degree lens. The third camera is the telephonic zoom lens that really takes a great photo as far as the zooming is concerned without losing its quality and the overall image. They offer a good battery pack of 24 hours. Samsung S10 offers 3400 mAh while S10 Plus offers 4100 mAh. They both have the latest Snapdragon E55 processor. One of the huge accomplishments is the in-display fingerprint, which is also known as ultrasonic fingerprint within a display itself at the bottom of the screen. Another amazing feature is the power share. Turn on wireless power charging, and you can charge any of other devices of Samsung or that offers wireless charging. Just put on top of the phone that offering the power share, just put the other device on top of it, and it will start charging the other device immediately. As far as storage is concerned, both have 8 GB RAM, which is pretty much good. S10 offers the base storage at a capacity of minimum 128 GB, which is really good. And if we see in S10 Plus, and S10 also offers 512 GB storage. If we look at S10 Plus, it offers 12 GB of RAM also with a 1 TB storage space. That's really a great achievement, and it will be really helpful for good storage. Regarding pricing, S10 starts with $900 and S10 starts with $1000, which is a pretty good deal. In regards to the front cams, the S10 offers a pinch hole camera at the corner of the screen, while S10 Plus offers a dual camera on the front screen. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you like my video. Please comment down below which mobile phone you want me to review on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.